Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to restart a Vercel deployment. I'll be working in the Vercel dashboard for this one. Let's get straight into it. First, head to vercel.com and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure you've got the right team selected in the team switcher at the top. Now click on the project that contains the deployment you want to restart. That'll open up the project overview page, where you'll see your production deployment and a sidebar on the left. Next, click on Deployments in that left sidebar. This brings up your full list of deployments. You might need to scroll or use the filter options to find the specific one you're after. You can filter by branch, status, or deployment environment if you've got a lot of deployments to sift through. Once you've found the deployment you want to restart, look for the 3 dots menu button on that deployments row. It's usually right next to the Visit button or on the right side of the deployment item. Click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Click Redeploy from that menu. A small dialog will pop up with options for redeploying. In here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Redeploy with existing build cache. This is where you decide whether to use the cached build files from the original deployment. If the checkbox is ticked, Vercel will use the cache and the build will be faster. If you untick it, Vercel will rebuild everything from scratch. That's useful if you suspect the cache might be causing issues. Once you've made your choice, click the Redeploy button at the bottom of the dialog to confirm. The dialog will close and you'll be back at your deployments list. You'll see a new deployment appear at the top with a building status. A couple of quick things to note. You can actually redeploy any past deployment, not just your most recent one. That's handy if you need to roll back to an older version. And if you're redeploying a production deployment, it'll automatically update your production URLs once the build finishes, so you don't need to do anything extra to push it live. And that's how to restart a Vercel deployment. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.